solutions, service, selection. That's what you'll find at Dixon Quick Coupling. Located in Dallas, North Carolina, Dixon Quick Coupling is a proud U.S. manufacturer and supplier of hydraulic and pneumatic quick disconnect couplings. We offer a wide range of products in a variety of materials and sizes. Whether it's the HT Series Correct Connection color-coded system, blowout preventer couplings, or another quick disconnect, we make sure you always have the right connection. Our 170,000 square foot facility is optimally designed to transform raw materials into quality products you can count on. Skilled machinists and assembly personnel ensure each part is manufactured to the correct specifications. Dixon Quick Coupling engineers strive to create innovative solutions to meet your needs. Our products undergo extensive testing for safety and reliability before entering the market. Including our location in North Carolina, we have U.S. distribution centers stocked with inventory, so you have the parts you need when you need them most. Our customer service team is ready and willing to help you every step of the way. By partnering with Dixon Quick Coupling, you get technology, reliability, quality, and quick delivery. So when it comes to selecting a manufacturer for quick disconnect couplings, Dixon is your best choice.